I am Dr. Amanda Lloyd, and I'm a board-certified dermatologist, and I'm here with Dr. Corinne Devin, and we are going to talk about our 3 favorite products that we absolutely can't live without.
I absolutely could not agree. I am Dr. Corinne Devin, and I'm a board-certified orthodontist as well as a general dentist, and I could not agree more. There's 3 products every single day. When I go to events, people ask us, what's the one thing you can't live without? And so today we're going to tell you not only 1, 2, but 3 things that both of us swear by, live by, tell our family and friends by. So what's the first product that you find that is a game changer, Dr. Lloyd?
So my first product is sunscreen. So sunscreen is by far the most important thing you can do for your skin. If you're going to do one thing to help keep you looking young and beautiful, you have to wear sunscreen.
I could not agree more. I remembered when I was in 7th grade and I told my mom, I don't like my freckles. She's like, wear your sunscreen. It has made such a difference. And you can probably tell your patients who wear it and who don't.
Definitely.
What's the one thing that you notice your patients who do wear sunscreen? What do you notice in their skin?
So their skin is much less damaged, and you see sun damage by scaliness, kind of ruddiness, red spots, brown spots, and of course wrinkles. All of those things nobody really wants, needs, and you don't need to have because you've got sunscreen to help protect you.
That is so crucial. So for me, like the first thing I would tell people is having a great toothbrush along with floss. So it's the Sonicare toothbrush is actually my favorite. And I actually know you have a Sonicare toothbrush. What is about that toothbrush that you like so much?
So I love my Sonicare toothbrush because it really helps to protect my gums. I had braces when I was little, and my gums are receding a little bit from over-brushing, and it stops when I push too hard, so I can't damage my gums further, which I really like.
I totally agree. And one thing that's nice about the Sonicare toothbrush, it actually has a beep, so you know exactly when you're done at each corner. So that's something I really appreciate. So yeah, the Sonicare toothbrush is great. It doesn't matter what you use with it as long as you're actually using it. And then the second thing I would tell people is floss. Now I know as adults we don't like to floss, but guess what? I challenge you to smell your floss after you brush your teeth, and you will smell exactly, I know, crazy. And people don't believe me until they do it, but you will find all the stuff that your toothbrush actually emits. So you gotta do both, morning and night. Could not agree more. So there's 2 of our favorite products that we swear, live by, do by, preach every single day.
Yes, 2 things you can't live without. So the second product or thing that I can't possibly live without is, or stress enough, is doing 1 procedure or treatment a year to help improve your skin, to kind of help to make you more timeless and reverse some things. So my favorite one is Botox. I mean, Botox, you can't go wrong. It always works. It's effective. It's safe. You know, it's a home run every single time. So I brought a little box.
And on everyone, right? Like it doesn't matter what age you're, what stage of your life, your ethnicity, 100%. Your skin type. I mean, so it's really a universal product.
Yes, it's a product that's good for everyone, men, women, young adults, teens, kids. You know, if you over sweat, you can use it for that. If you have wrinkles, you can use it for that. So there's so many uses, and it just really does a great job every time.
You know, and one thing that I actually realized is I have a family of migraines. My mom gets migraines. So actually Botox has actually been such a huge change in my mom and her day-to-day life, overall wellness. You know, we all hear about self-care. That's a really big term that I hear that's trendy right now. And it's nice to know there's a product out there that is consistent, that's reliable, it's dependable.
Definitely.
And I think that's really huge. You know, when people come to see me at the dentist, they ask for those things. And one of the things that I swear by is actually Opalescence. It's a really great bleach. Now their whole line actually varies from 5, 10, 15, 25, or even 35%. So, you know, when I have patients who come to me, maybe they just got done with pregnancy, they have some staining, they got their braces off, they weren't so good about brushing and flossing their teeth, or, you know, they just want that white, useful smile. This to me is a product I swear by, go by, use by all the time. So of course there's very different percentages if you have sensitive teeth. So definitely after you do it, I tell people, you know, stay away from the super hot coffee or the iced coffee. Stick with stuff that's room temperature, and it works every single time with bleach. One little trick I always tell people is that even if it's expired, put it in your fridge. It will last longer.
That is good to know. And I have some actually in my fridge. It's fabulous. It just really helps to brighten the smile, whiten the teeth. My teeth aren't sensitive afterwards. It's fantastic.
Yeah,
it's a home run as well.
So there you have it, a procedure that we both do, we both use, and we highly recommend on all our patients, both for skincare and for dentistry.
Yes. The third thing that I do to maintain my skin's health is use a retinoid every night. So this is a little bottle of an example, but any retinoid will work. There's about 100 different ones. The one that works for you is the best one. There's over-the-counter retinols, but those are 10 times less potent.
10? Did I hear that right? 10 times less potent?
Yes.
So I should definitely come see Dr. Lloyd, a dermatologist, to get the best one. So tell me, Dr. Lloyd, you just mentioned there's hundreds of them. There's different percentages. So what is like something that people should start? Because, I've come to you and I've had some that made my face peel off and others where I'm like, is it even working?
Right.
So where should most people start besides coming to see you and getting a prescription?
Right. So the first step is to go see a board-certified dermatologist, have your skin looked at, and get a prescription for a retinoid. And then you're going to have to partner with that dermatologist to find the one that works best for you, because everybody's skin is a little bit different.
Yes.
And so they're each going to be affecting the skin a little bit differently. But taking the step and going to see the dermatologist and getting that prescription really is the best thing you can do for your skin, because it helps to normalize how the skin grows, get rid of those fine lines and wrinkles, unclog your pores, maintain your skin's health. I say it's like brushing your teeth, something you know quite a lot about.
Absolutely.
To maintain the health of your gums, putting your retinoid on every night helps to maintain the health of your skin.
So what age should most people start getting a retinoid? I mean, my mother started when she was in her 20s, but I hear such different conflicting advice, whether I'm watching one of my favorite bloggers or on YouTube. So, you're a board-certified dermatologist, you're an expert in the field. What do you find is the best age that most people should start?
Well, retinoids are actually FDA approved for acne.
Really?
So teenagers are usually the group that get them, most commonly. However, if you're not in your teens anymore, don't fret. You can still use your retinoid every night. So if you have acne, it's a great treatment for that. If you're older than a teen and don't have acne but want to help, refresh your skin and give it that healthy glow back,
absolutely,
going to see a dermatologist and getting that prescription is definitely a step in the right direction.
So it's something I only do at night because we don't want to do it during the day. It's something, it really doesn't matter what age we start, but clearly the earlier the better. And also it's something we build upon. I think that was one of the things you told me, that we can't just immediately jump into it like a pool that I don't even know how to swim, right? I got to get in,
You have to kind of build up to it. So it normalizes how the skin grows and makes the skin cells less sticky and speeds up the growth rate. So as we get older, it takes longer for our skin to grow. And so it's giving us a more youthful growth rate. And that's what causes the dryness and irritation that nobody likes. So doing that slowly and gradually building up really helps to get your skin used to it, so you're not dry and peely, because nobody has time to be dry, peely, and flaky.
Absolutely not.
No.
Especially with all the things that you and I go to and all the charity events and the galas, we need that. So, you bring up a good point. So one thing that people also come to me and ask, what's a good product that's going to help with your teeth and make them look whiter, is actually this toothpaste right here. So it's AP24. It's a whitening fluoride toothpaste.
Fantastic.
So a lot of people feel like, gosh, Dr. Devin, there's so many things on the market, from Crest or Colgate. Same thing. You buy something at the drugstore, it's not going to be as strong, not as effective. You're not going to see the changes.
You're not going to get as big of a benefit.
No, absolutely. You're not going to see things as quickly. So the one thing I personally like about this toothpaste is it whitens your teeth. So all those hard coffee stains, red wine, the tea, all those things that really stain your teeth, this actually helps eliminate it. And believe it or not, my other life is I am the current reigning Miss Earth, and I learned this from my pageant girls, because when we're on stage, we want to have that beautiful 14-12 smile where our teeth are as white as possible, and this has definitely changed it. So it goes with me everywhere I go.
Yes, you definitely want to have a bright white smile, which this product certainly does a great job at whitening those teeth, and you want to have healthy glowing skin, so you need a retinoid every night to keep your skin glowing and healthy.
Absolutely. So you've got the beauty tips from both the skin and from the dental side. So you're going to have beautiful skin and a great smile to match it.
Definitely.